Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming system compatibility and opening Safari now. First, check software updates so extensions run correctly. Outdated OS blocks many add-ons. Next, open Safari and go directly to Preferences or Settings to enable the extensions pane. This grants Safari permission to manage them. Once done, sign into your Apple ID so you can download extensions from the App Store. This links purchases and settings across devices and simplifies installation. You'll now locate suitable extensions and install them. In Safari, open the Extensions tab or use the App Store and search with clear terms like Ad Blocker or Password Manager to narrow results. Make sure to read the permission list and reviews. Permissions show why the extension needs site access. That explains its behavior. When you choose Install or Get, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password so Safari can add the extension securely to your browser. You'll finish by configuring and validating the extension. Open Safari Preferences, enable the new extension, then click Options to set site rules, shortcuts, and privacy choices. This controls when and where it runs. Test on a few sites to confirm expected behavior. Make sure caching or content blockers aren't interfering. If something breaks, disable extensions one at a time and retest, then remove and reinstall the offender. That isolates conflicts and often resolves permission or loading errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.